Hi guys, so I'm in Colorado in Monument, yeah? So look at the sky. What do you think about the sky behind me, yeah? Uh, in Colorado the sky is so nice, yeah? Colorado sky. I'm close to Denver. I'm about 1 hour away from Denver. I'm going to sleep here in Monument, Colorado. And the mountains, yeah? The mountains from Colorado. Oopsie daisy, sorry. Nice. But the clouds, I couldn't miss these clouds. Look at them. The sun is hitting them behind the mountain. Unbelievable, yeah? The color, the shape. It's quite amazing, yeah? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And I'm going to show you interesting things. Yeah. Hopefully snow will not going to come until tomorrow. Look at that. Wow. Huh? Like they are painted on the sky, yeah? Nice Colorado sky. Yeah, from time to time you have to admire the beauty of nature. You have to keep it slow and easy and enjoy life. Actually, this is all about not just working and running. Actually, we are running towards the same thing, the whole, yeah? So, don't run, don't fight with each other anymore, don't be that bitchy, yeah? Smile. Take care. Bye.